Hello, friends. As you already know, First Global Team India, in association with Blix, has launched the Independence Day STEM Challenge 2026. One major mechanism you need to build for this competition is a mechanized flag hoisting system using Blix bots. To help you get started, our friend Vedang Kamat has built two flag hoisting mechanisms. Keep in mind, these are just examples to spark your imagination. The first example is simple. It uses a string wound around a single axle. When the motor turns in one direction, it winds the string on one side of the axle, while releasing it from the other side. This pulls the flag up. It's the easiest flag hoisting mechanism you can build. Now here's a challenge for you. Can you make this design more compact? And can you fix it so the flag stays completely straight as it's being hoisted? The second design is also simple. It's based on a rack-and-pinion lift system. You'll find full build details on page 30 of the Blix Discovering Motions manual. The link to that manual is in the description below. So go ahead, spark up your imagination. The same Discovering Motions manual also features a scissor lift mechanism. Try building that one too. Keep exploring, keep learning. Use your creativity to hoist our flag and celebrate India's Independence Day with First Global Team India.